Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5BestOnes. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2. Our first recommendation is the Monoprice Select Mini. At a little over $200, this model is an excellent choice for people looking to dip their toes into the world of 3D printing. It has a 4.7 build area. This isn't huge, but it's still large enough to create models or little things for around the home. With a printing speed of 55 mm/s, it's slightly faster than others in this price range. Need a bracket for that cupboard door? No problem, just wait a few hours. With its Wi-Fi capability, micro SD slot, and simple, intuitive interface, this product offers far more than you expect. Also, its price makes it an absolute bargain. Too often, getting a low-cost 3D printer means getting a box of ill-fitted parts with poorly written and incomplete documentation. You end up spending hours on the internet, searching forums, and asking for help to get the printer assembled and operating properly. This printer not only comes fully assembled, but has also already been calibrated at the factory. All you have to do is perform a quick check to verify that the print bed is still leveled in case it shifted during shipping. Then load the included micro SD card, load some filament, and start printing the preloaded model. Nowhere else will you find a 3D printer ready to print out of the box at such a low cost. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. New Matter MODT Desktop 3D Printer. Next, let's take a look at the New Matter MODT. This is a futuristic-looking printer that comes with lifetime tech support and wireless printing functionality. It uses PLA filament and can print at up 80 mm/s, although its speed is adjustable. This allows you to spend a little longer to create a smoother, more professional-looking product, or just get the job done quickly depending on the situation. Good, right? It has a slightly larger build area than the Monoprice and accordingly, costs a little more money. That said, we believe that the versatility of this product more than offsets the increase in price. As a mechanical engineer, I've been a professional user of 3D printers since the early 2000s. In those days, the most affordable 3D printer around was $30,000 and the size of a refrigerator. Over time, I watched as both the size and price of these machines came down, but I didn't see any products that were really designed with the user in mind. They were noisy, $2,000 or more, looked intimidating, and required complex software to use. With the MODT, New Matter set out to change all that, designing a 3D printer that's affordable, elegant, accessible, and easy to use. The Mod T stands apart because it combines a feature set typically found on more expensive products with a very affordable retail price. We're able to keep the price low because our patented 2-axis motion system enables precise, quiet control over the build platform's position with a minimal number of components. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. LulzBot TAZ 6 3D Printer. The LulzBot TAZ 6 is very well known in the 3D printing community, but it comes with a substantial $2,500 price tag. So what does this product do to justify it? Well, keep reading to find out. Firstly, it has a massive build area of almost 11 square inches. Secondly, with the TAZ 6, you aren't limited to just the standard materials. In fact, it can handle more than 30 different types of filament, including wood, metal, and stone composites. Not only that, but this model has a self-leveling and self-cleaning print head. This takes the hard work away and leaves you free to enjoy the design and printing process. So is it still as slow as all the rest? Well, it's dual extruder compatible. This means that you can hypothetically have the time it takes to complete a model, although of course, as we've mentioned above, this will affect the overall look of the finished result. All things considered, we think that this printer will likely be too expensive and too high-tech for most people's needs. but for commercial printers or organizations who plan to use it a lot, it's actually very reasonably priced. The LulzBot TAZ 6 3D printer features proven self-cleaning, self-leveling technology. Get a clean start to each new print job and never worry about leveling your print bed again. The LulzBot TAZ 6 has one of the largest build volumes of any desktop 3D printer. So whether you need one big part or lots of small ones, the LulzBot TAZ 6 has the capacity to spare. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. ICTOP Creality CR10 3D Printer. The second commercial printer we found is the ICTOP Creality CR10. This is far less expensive than the TAZ, at around $500, yet provides an even larger build area. This is due to this printer's open design. It's not constrained by the same hardware and can freely create things much larger than most of its rivals could handle. This simple design means that this printer can be broken down into just 3 parts for easy assembly. What else is good? This printer has a variable printing speed. At its base rate, it can run at 80 mm/s, but this can be boosted as high as 200 mm/s if you're in a hurry. Layers can be as thick as 0.4 mm or as thin as 0.5 mm, so there's a good degree of creative freedom with the CR10. You might expect the CR10 to be a compromise considering its far more palatable price. However, nothing could be farther from the truth. It's a solid, fast 3D printer that can handle anything you throw at it. Ultimately, if you don't care about using anything except PLA, then there's no reason to spend any extra money on a fancy printer. Simply put, this model has everything you need. The difference between CR10 and CR10s is CR10s was upgraded with a dual Z-axis leading screw rod, which makes printing quality better and more stable. Another upgrading is the CR10's mainboard with filament monitor function. This function can detect when the filament is running out or not. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. QIDI Technology 3D Printer. The X Plus 3D printer kit comes with 2 different types of extruder assembly. Extruder had already been installed on the printer. The max printing temperature is 250 C, and it can work well with PLA, ABS, TPU. For Extruder B, free to you if you need. The maximum printing temperature is 300 C and can print nylon, carbon fiber PC. The latest development, free trial. They pioneered creation of the 2 different ways for placing the filament. A. Place the filament outside. The filament feeds more smoothly while printing PLA, TPU, PET. It is compatible with any brand of 1.75 mm filament. B. Place the filament inside. For printing advanced material such as nylon, carbon fiber, PC, which requires an enclosed constant temperature printing. The X Plus pioneered the creation of 2 different ways of placing the filament. Ventilative printing or enclosed constant temperature printing for you to choose when printing the different types of filament. Latest Slicer software version 5.6.4. Redesigned UI interface of QIDI software is smarter and more convenient to operate. It has changed the software slicing algorithm and improved the print quality by 30% and speed by 20%. The QIDI software is compatible with all types of QIDI printers, lifetime free, an alternative to paid software. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.